Hey traders, if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term, you've got to stop holding cryptocurrencies that are massively dumping below your entry price, and then stop hoping they will massively rise in price action very soon, because that will never happen. Remember, you're trading in a very volatile, manipulated cryptocurrency market. So don't believe in what YouTubers are saying. Buy this particular cryptocurrency and hold it over the course of 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, that it's gonna 10x and make you a lot of profit. Don't believe in that. I want you to believe in your trading capital. You want to be in the cryptocurrency markets to be able to protect your trading capital. You don't want to lose everything you started your crypto trading business with in the market. Of course, you want to protect your trading capital. As a cryptocurrency trader, you want to have a lot more money than you actually came into the market with, in order to prove that you've got all it takes to be consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term. We're in this for the long term. It's not to crash out today. It's not a crash out tomorrow. You want to be in the market in order to take advantage of the wonderful opportunities that are available in the market at any time. You want to take advantage of 20% profits, take advantage of 30% profit or 40% profit. You really don't want to believe in any cryptocurrency pair that's massively dumping below your entry price. You want to sell it at a loss. I mean, sell every cryptocurrency that's dumping below your entry price. Most importantly, if it dumps by 5%, you should sell any cryptocurrency that you are currently holding in your wallet that dumps by 5% below your entry price. I mean, sell it at a loss. As a cryptocurrency trader, you should already know that at some point in time, you have to take a loss in order to protect your trading capital. I believe in my cryptocurrency trading plan. And that's one of the reasons why I am a successful cryptocurrency trader. I am very conscious of my trading plan. I never disobey my trading plan. When I got in Solana, I was waiting to sell in profit, but it never did, and it dipped back down by 5%. I crashed my Solana. I lost 5% of my trading capital when I first traded Solana. And that's why I'm telling you this. As a cryptocurrency trader, if you truly want to be a successful cryptocurrency trader for the long term, you've got to sell some of your cryptocurrencies at a loss and forget about it. We have lots of moving cryptocurrencies in the market today, even yesterday, every day. That's lots of opportunity to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. So that's one of the main reasons why you should not fall in love with any particular cryptocurrency pair. You should not believe in any cryptocurrency pair because they are not worth it. They are only a trading vehicle and not an investment vehicle. You've got to trash every cryptocurrency pair that dips by 5% below your entry price. If you got in on Solana back in when it was trading at a high price, you should have gotten out. If you bought any cryptocurrency pair that's already dumping below your entry price, there is no reason to hold on to that particular cryptocurrency pair because it's not worth it. It's not really worth it. You have lots of opportunity in the markets. Lots of cryptocurrencies are actually bouncing 20%, 100%, 500%, which would have given you so much money to make in the market. I want you to stop holding cryptocurrencies. Don't believe in any cryptocurrency. I don't care what it promises to be one of the best blockchain platform on the internet. Don't believe in any cryptocurrency. I mean, don't believe in any cryptocurrency. What's more important in the market? It's your trading capital. If you started trading the cryptocurrency markets with $1,000 worth of trading capital, you should be able to turn that $1,000 into over $2,000 over the course of a certain time and make profits. What are you trading the cryptocurrency markets? You literally want to make profits. You literally want to turn $1,000 into $5,000, into $20,000, into $10,000, which will not happen just instantly. It will really have to take a lot of time for it to happen. Okay, so I want you to look at this particular chart, the Solana USDT cryptocurrency pair, how it's been dumping pretty much over 2,000%. Look at the SOL USDT cryptocurrency pair. As you can see on the candlestick price chart, this particular currency pair has been dumping right from the start. We can look at the charts right now. I'm using the 1 month time frame to see how this particular cryptocurrency pair has been performing ever since the year 2022. It's been draining every cryptocurrency trader's account. Solana started dumping all the way from the highest price of this red candlestick. You can see this particular red candlestick. The highest price of this particular red candlestick, it's at $250.73. And ever since, Solana has dumped all the way from $250.73 down to $10.67. That's a massive dump in price action. And most cryptocurrency traders who actually participated in trading Solana have wiped away their entire account. They lost everything they started the market with because Solana was trading at somewhere around $250.73, and now it's down to $10.67. That's a massive dump in price action. And we're talking about over 2,449%, which is very massive dump in price action already. And every trader who has so much love for Solana have literally wiped away their entire account because they believed in Solana. They believed Solana, it's gonna 10x over time. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, Solana has been dumping all the way starting from the year 2022, and it's been dumping pretty hard, all the way from $250.73 to $10.67. This is a massive loss in the cryptocurrency markets, and most traders believe they will definitely make profit from this particular Solana, but they never made profit. They have literally wiped away their entire account because they believed in one particular cryptocurrency pair. Now, I want to tell you something. You don't have to believe in any cryptocurrency pair. What's more important, it's your trading capital. You want to believe in your trading capital. As harder as you can work in order to protect your trading capital. You don't want to put your capital into any particular cryptocurrency pair that promises to be one of the best blockchain platform on the internet. You want to put your money into cryptocurrency pairs that are literally going to make your account get better, make you make profits in the market. You want to participate on the best performing cryptocurrency pairs, and that's what we've been telling our students in our crypto trading community. It's to participate on the best performing cryptocurrency pairs. Forget about the love for any particular cryptocurrency pair. You don't have to believe in any cryptocurrency pair. I don't care what it promises to do over time. It may promise to be one of the best blockchain platform on the internet. Forget about that. We're talking about your trading capital. We're in this to make profits in the market. We are trading the cryptocurrency markets in order to make profits, in order to support your family financially and otherwise. And that's why it's not important. What's important is to protect your trading capital. Cut losses quickly, minimize losses, and maximize profits. For example, the best performing cryptocurrency pairs on the day on every cryptocurrency platform will literally pay you over 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% before it starts to crash. And that's why you want to take advantage of trading the best performing cryptocurrency pairs every trading day. The cryptocurrency market is open for 24 hours every day, 365 days in a year. So you have lots of opportunity to make a lot of money in the markets. It really doesn't matter about the market conditions, whether we are in a bear market condition or in a bull market condition. That's literally so much opportunity for you to make profits in the cryptocurrency markets. So take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Buy cryptocurrencies on the 4-hour green candlesticks. Do not buy cryptocurrencies on the 4-hour red candlesticks. If you want to buy any cryptocurrency at any point in time, you want to buy cryptocurrencies only when they are in 4-hour green candlesticks. Don't buy cryptocurrencies when they are in 4-hour red candlesticks. I'm telling you this because I've been in the market for literally 10 years and I'm trying to share my experience with you. I want you to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term. I don't want you to hold cryptocurrencies and hope they will massively rise in price action so you can take 10x, 20x. No. Take 5% profit. That's what makes you a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader. Be willing to take 5% profit, but willing to take 10% profit from the cryptocurrency markets. That's how you can literally grow your crypto trading account over time. If you're waiting for a 10x, you're waiting for a 20x, a 40x, 50x, 100%, that's not always possible in the cryptocurrency markets. But the more money you can add up to your account, if you can consistently add 5%, 10% profit every time into your crypto trading account, you will literally grow your account over time. We are in this business to make money. We're not in this business to lose every capital we started our cryptocurrency trading business with. That's why it's not a good idea to invest in cryptocurrencies, because they can literally wipe away your entire account. I have done this before. When I first started my crypto trading business back in 2014, I lost over 2 Bitcoin because I was buying random cryptocurrencies with my Bitcoin at uncertain prices without performing proper technical analysis of the cryptocurrencies before buying them. So that was exactly how I lost 2 Bitcoins due to lack of crypto trading knowledge. I don't want you to go through everything that I went through back in early days when I first started my crypto trading business. So that's why I'm bringing this knowledge to you. I want you to cut losses quickly. I want you to minimize losses and maximize profits. Take a 5% profit, take a 10% profit. That's what the market is willing to offer you at that particular time. When it gives you a 10% profit, take it. When it gives you a 20% profit, take it. It's what the market is willing to offer at that particular time. So don't get greedy. Take whatever the market is willing to offer at any particular given time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.